as I call you again that time. I don't go where for do this thing. They say the woman say na risk, big risk now take. Say one go do that kind of thing. Say the thing no, say no comot finish.
Hello my people, I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Hope so na dey fine. Na do what una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, I believe say some of una don see this video wey just dey go viral about this girl Faith Aigbe with this ohe of this community. Wetin happen? My people, I put one video more na still listing. Maybe some of una don see am. My brothers and sisters, wetin me I see for this one na my own opinion, because as I watch the video wey dem do for EBS, as I dey watch am, I dey think about say this girl, how old you dey? Wetin which this girl no be small pikin. I dey talk am say when pikin don pass 18 years, you no fit decide for im life. I dey talk about wetin her mother dey talk, because her mother say her pikin dey stay with this Enogie. Say the pikin the Enogie don get 4 children. Say she come talk say she no want make her daughter come be the 5th wife for them, which is normal thing, but na talk na dem take dey tell pikin. If you talk to pikin say no hear, na anything wey see for there na yo. Na so me I dey talk my own. Once you be 18 years pass, you don pass 18 years, you fit decide for yourself. Pikin wey don grow like this, carry am go remove belle, my brothers and sisters. Belle wey don belle wey don, that our country anyway, me affect all this, that our country, no matter how much they wan give you, seeing this belle alone, you no fear. Even the doctors, they no fear. E no fit happen for abroad. E no fit happen. Once your belle don pass 3 months, they no dey do am. If you go do am, something happen, where they go do am, you na problem na you dey. Na problem na you dey, my brothers and sisters. Wetin be money wey the family go give you, wey you know say you get na risk, na you wan risk the girl life, because the way mom that take talk, she no care. You must remove that belle. You no go born for there, you no go stay for there. Na wetin she dey talk for mouth, now dey talk. When she go her house, we go the Enogie house, go pack your pikin something for there, say you no go stay there. Your pikin don grow, no be small pikin. Wetin dey happen? See wetin come happen now. I pray make dem find out wetin really happen for there. See the way they take treat that girl. Na im mother, your own mother. No, wetin dey happen? Even though say you no like the man, no be you wan marry am, no be your husband. Face your life, make your pikin face your life. Na talk na dey tell pikin say this thing wey you wan do so, as I dey see I no good. If your pikin say leave am make I do am, because na im life. Give her your own opinion, finish. You no be the owner of that pikin life. You don do your own. Person no force you to stay your own husband house. Person no fit tell you, person no still tell you say you must not stay there. Why you wan decide for your daughter? Even though say the man get 10 wife, she say na there na she dey go, na happiness dey there. Why you no leave am? See wetin come happen now. Only God know wetin come happen to that girl, that little girl. Person pikin wey don grow finish, belle don come out finish. Carry am go Abuja. You must remove am. You must not born for there. Wetin? At the end now, wetin come happen? At the end now, wetin you come gain? Wetin you come gain? If for good, leave your daughter for there. May you born anything wey you see for there. Okay, now your choice. Now wetin you choice? Now wetin you choose? E can no come what there that time when you dey tell am. Say I tell me you no go. The man not dey treat you bad. Now you know. Stay there. Since you don't marry, you must stay there. Bear am. Now so it's supposed to be. But this one now no. Now rest in peace. Wetin dey worry some of our mothers dem. They believe say they fit dey control you till when you go come get white head for head. It's not done. My brothers and sisters, if I still get updates about this wetin dey happen, so I go still bring am come for una mona see am. This one I go put the video mona list, abeg mona help me share. One love, una bye bye.
pikin for his body. He said that he not go live her. Now I say, I know what. The woman don't born for you. You get that many for woman for us. They don't born. I know what my pikin married you. Come out now carry I go there. I go to Uganda. Now carry my pikin. Come back for there. Now say if I see you for there again, from there now carry a call house. I said Richard, make this school my pikin they teach because of I remember for that because I may not the teach for there again. Around 5 minutes they come me say Enogie. They say my pikin to hospital. I say which hospital is it? He the hospital. I say yes. Now Papa say the person call and say they say for the village for that I say they Russian. Come here. Now we make us take console. When we reach here now we go say no get don't kill my pikin. You don't look out for sign. You don't look out for sign motor.
That was Mrs. Gladys Aigbe accusing the Enogie of Uroho village, His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki, of being responsible for the death of her daughter, Faith Aigbe, whose corpse was found inside a car at the Central Hospital in Benin City on Thursday 9th September 2021. Enogie Friday Ogeraki, who said he knew Faith Aigbe at the College of Education, Kiadolo near Benin, several years ago, when they were both students, said they entered into relationship in February 2020, which culminated in the over 8 months pregnancy, when her mother, Mrs. Gladys Aigbe, insisted that she would not allow her daughter to marry him. Hence, she took her to Abuja, where the pregnancy was aborted. Enogie Ogeraki said the deceased came to his house few days after her return from Abuja to plead with him to forgive her for the termination of the pregnancy, which was almost due, an action she hinged on the pressure from her mother.
The pregnancy is 8 months plus, let me say 9 months, when her mother took her to go and abort the pregnancy without my consent. I don't know anything about it. I was shocked and surprised. Even in my conversation with her, is there. I even told her, you have done what your mother asked you to do.
The Enogie of Uroho village, Friday Ogeraki, also presented the WhatsApp written and voice chat with Faith Aigbe few days before her last visit to his house after the abortion of the over 8 months pregnancy.
Baby, I don't see your face for it. I want to tell you. Let me call you just now. I know not want to tell you for phone. As I call you again that time. I don't go where for this thing. I say they don't want to see risk, big risk now take. Say one go do that kind of thing. Say the thing no, say no come out finish before. Now make me come the feel pain. All those things. Say as it be so. Say my body just still open. Say my body just still open well. Say my body just still open. Say but I try see as it be so my body nice, still fresh. I be like person we know all those kind of things. Say the thing not for finish. I make belly on the pain. So now say me tell you.
On how the corpse of late Faith Aigbe was discovered in his car at the Central Hospital in Benin City, the Enogie further explains.
I never abandoned the corpse inside my vehicle. She died inside my vehicle when I'm taking her to the hospital. When I get there, I start contacting her family people so that they will come. Let's take the body to the mortuary. Calling them, they refuse to come. I said, okay, since they refuse to come, let me go to the nearest police station, who is under my jurisdiction, who can help me out. And my family people were there. That's how I went straight to Olobo Division. Before they get there, another news have been spreading.
Thank you.
A visit to the palace of the Enogie at Uroho village further gave these revelations on their relationship. Investigations revealed that though His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki has not paid the dowry of Faith Aigbe, this is the residence where Faith Aigbe has been living with His Royal Highness. Please join me. Let us go into the room where Faith has been living in this house. Here is the room Faith Aigbe has been staying with His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki in his palace. So, you can also see the baby things the expected mother has arranged And His Royal Highness has also arranged these baby things in expectation that a newborn baby will come into this house. Sources disclosed that the Enogie of Uroho village, His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki, is already with the police to explain his own side of the story. To further buttress that Faith Aigbe has been staying in this house with His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki. These are the clothes she washed and dried a few days ago before the incident. From Uroho village,